Ever wondered if you could turn an old computer into a powerful learning machine, even without an internet connection? Today, we're diving into the world of Linux to find the best educational distributions that are packed with knowledge and ready to go, completely offline. This is perfect for students, teachers, or anyone in areas with limited or no internet access. So, what's the secret? It's all about preloading. Several Linux distributions are specifically designed for this purpose. They bundle huge amounts of educational content, from encyclopedias to interactive games, right into the initial download. You install it once, and you've got a digital library at your fingertips. Let's start with the absolute champion in this field, Endless OS. If you need an offline educational powerhouse, this is it. Endless OS was built from the ground up for exactly this scenario. Their full version is a hefty download, around 16 gigabytes, but what you get in return is incredible. It comes with over 100 applications pre-installed. We're talking about a complete offline version of Wikipedia, health and farming guides, coding apps, and tons of educational games. The user experience is designed to be super simple, like a smartphone or a tablet. This makes it incredibly easy for students of all ages, from elementary school to high school, to find what they need without any confusion. The star of the show is the Endless Key. Think of it as a curated portal to hundreds of educational topics, all accessible without a single byte of data. It includes content from trusted sources like Khan Academy and PBS Kids, covering subjects from math and science to art and history. For the aspiring tech wizards, there's the Hacker Clubhouse, a special section with interactive lessons on how computers work, programming fundamentals, and even game development. Plus, it includes essential creative and productivity tools like Blender for 3D modeling and LibreOffice for documents and spreadsheets. Now, let's talk about what you need to run it. Endless OS is pretty flexible. You'll need a 64-bit processor, at least 2 gigabytes of RAM, though 4 is better, and about 64 gigabytes of disk space for that content-rich full version. One of its neatest features is its immutable core. This means the main operating system files are read-only, making it extremely resistant to viruses or accidental damage by curious students. It's a teacher's dream. While Endless OS is a fantastic all-in-one solution, it's not the only player in the game. Let's look at some other great options. First up is Debian EDU, also known as SkullLinux. As the name suggests, this is a version of the legendary Debian Linux, specifically tailored for school environments. Its strength lies in its comprehensive setup. If you can get your hands on the full multi-DVD or Blu-ray installer set, you can build an entire school network, complete with servers and workstations, without ever needing to connect to the internet. It contains thousands of software packages, so you can add new tools later, all from the physical media you already have. It's a more traditional and powerful option, perfect for setting up a complete computer lab. Next, we have a really unique one, Sugar on a Stick, or SOAS. This comes from the famous One Laptop Per Child project. Its whole philosophy is learning by doing. SOAS is designed to run entirely from a USB drive, turning any computer it's plugged into a personal learning station. All of a student's work in progress is saved directly to the stick, so they can carry their digital portfolio between school and home. What makes Sugar so great for offline use? It's packed with built-in activities that are fully functional without the web. There are activities for physics simulations, creative writing, music creation, and programming with beginner-friendly tools like Scratch and Turtle Art. It also has a clever feature for teachers. Using a tool called InfoSlicer, educators can actually package parts of websites and other digital materials for students to use offline. And its collaboration tools are designed for the classroom. Students can work together on projects over a local network. No internet required. The interface is clean, simple, and focuses on one task at a time, minimizing distractions. Another strong contender is Academic's new Linux. This is another distribution based on Debian, and it comes loaded with a massive variety of educational software, covering everything from primary school subjects to university-level science. Many of these programs are designed to work perfectly offline, making it a great out-of-the-box solution for a wide range of academic needs. But what if you already have a favorite Linux distribution, like Ubuntu or Linux Mint, and you just want to make it offline friendly for education? You can absolutely do that with a little manual setup. The key tool here is an amazing application called Kiwix. You can install Kiwix on pretty much any Linux system. It allows you to download entire websites and browse them offline as if you were connected. We're talking about the full text of Wikipedia, Wiktionary, TED Talks, Project Gutenberg's library of classic books, and so much more. You just download the content files you want, called ZIM files, when you have an internet connection, transfer them to your offline machine, and Kiwix gives you a searchable, browsable interface. It's like carrying a slice of the internet with you. Another old-school but effective method is using the full DVD installer sets that some distributions like Debian still offer. These multi-gigabyte collections contain the core operating system plus thousands of extra software packages. This means you can install your system and then months later install a new Office suite, a graphics editor, or a programming environment, all from the same DVDs without ever going online. So to recap, if you want the most seamless, user-friendly, and content-packed offline educational experience right out of the box, Endless OS is your top choice. It's built for this. If you need something more traditional for a whole school network, look into Debian EDU. For a portable, activity-focused environment for younger learners, Sugar on a Stick is brilliant. And if you prefer to customize your own setup, combining a standard distro with a tool like Kiwix gives you incredible flexibility. The power of Linux is its versatility, and these distributions prove that a lack of internet doesn't have to be a barrier to learning. With a little setup, any computer can become a gateway to a world of knowledge. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helps you on your journey to create an amazing offline learning environment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these or have other recommendations. See you in the next one.